Welcome to CIU Labs, an initiative of Cambridge Intercontinental University. Understanding how malware communicates with command and control, C2 servers, is crucial for protecting your network. Cybercriminals are constantly probing for weaknesses, looking for an open window or unlocked door. Once inside, they can wreak havoc. It's critical to understand how these attacks unfold to protect yourself. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of a typical malware infection. It all starts with you clicking a malicious link or opening an infected attachment. These phishing emails are often crafted to look like they come from a trusted source, like your bank or a colleague. Think back on those emails urging you to update your account information or open an important document. Those could be the wolf in sheep's clothing. Once you unwittingly click the bait, the malware is downloaded and begins to execute its malicious code, burrowing its way into your system. Now that the malware has infiltrated your system, it needs instructions. It needs to know what to do next. The command and control, C2 server, acts as the mastermind behind the attack. The malware sends a signal to the C2 server, establishing a connection. These signals can be disguised as legitimate internet traffic. Imagine a spy sending coded messages back to headquarters. Chapter 3. Gaining control and lateral movement. The network takeover. With the connection established, the C2 server, now in command, issues instructions to the infected device. This could be anything from downloading additional malicious tools to escalating privileges within your network. Think of it like this: the initial infection was just the first step. Now the attacker is setting up shop, bringing in reinforcements. They move laterally through your network, compromising one system after another, much like a virus spreading through a body. Chapter 4. Exfiltration and data theft. The heist. Now comes the part where the real damage is done. The attacker, having firmly established a foothold in your network, begins to steal your valuable data. This could be anything from sensitive financial information to confidential customer data. They might install keyloggers to capture your passwords, or they might take screenshots of your activity, all the while remaining hidden in plain sight. It's like having a thief rummaging through your files while you're completely unaware. Chapter 5. Network infrastructure takeover. The aftermath. With complete control of your network, the attacker can deploy ransomware, locking you out of your own systems and demanding a hefty ransom. Or they might sell your stolen data on the dark web to the highest bidder. The damage can be extensive and long-lasting, leaving your digital life in ruins. The attacker, having accomplished their mission, might even cover their tracks, deleting logs and evidence, making it even harder to trace their steps. Outro. Stay ahead of the threat. Prepare and protect your network from potential malware attacks. Be proactive, not reactive. You wouldn't leave your house unlocked, right? Secure your home. Install an alarm system. Use strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and keep your software up to date. Educate yourself and your employees about the latest threats.